Welcome to the official launch of the Fiscal Research Center.
As we celebrate the launch of the Fiscal Policy Center, it comes at a time when, interestingly, we're debating the role of institutions in economic development.
This institution is at the right place, at the right time, and this Fiscal Research Center is here to spread the lessons learned, build capacity that will help build the new leaders of the future in the Caribbean.
Economic stability has been our Achilles heel for a long time.
We're coming from a very, very unstable place, macroeconomically speaking. And the stability that we have earned for ourselves as a society, it has taken a society-wide contribution to get to this point. And part of the reason that we haven't fully come to terms with it is that we have tended to see it and to interpret it in JLP history and PNP history. And until we see it as an integrated whole, warts and all, we will not be able to fully absorb the lessons of that history.
We forget how fiscal problems in the past have created terrible economic and financial crises with large human impacts. And by putting the right fiscal policies in place, we can avoid those terrible circumstances and build the possibility for more investment and a brighter future.
The opportunities for research into and teaching of or learning of public financial management is very scarce in the region.
As you know, the region has a history of debt crises.
That is one of the gaps that we're seeking to plug with the establishment of a Fiscal Research Center here at the Mona campus of the University of the West Indies.
Credibility for policy matters. And for credibility, you need that independent thought. And this institute, as you would appreciate, will have that independence so that we can give credibility to whatever comes out in terms of our take on fiscal management in the country.
We're grateful for the collaboration with the IDB, grateful for the IDB's technical assistance, and grateful for their financial assistance in this project.
We hope to bring our own familiarity with the region. We've been partners with the government of Jamaica for years. We will be contributing, there's a fund of $400,000, which is focused more on climate change and the impact of that. $250,000 will be for the climate change work, $400,000 will be for general research and capacity building. And so we hope that this will be a nice seed for helping.
The government of Jamaica is seeding the establishment of the Fiscal Research Center with a special grant on top of the usual subventions of $200 million.
I think this is a start. So like for me, I think this journey, they say the proverb that every journey starts with one step, but we're a few steps down this road already. That it takes time, it takes patience, it takes confidence, but over time then we get trust. And then we get this opportunity to participate on these big decisions.
I have all confidence that the work in the Department of Economics at Mona will indeed come to the fore. I have all confidence that the quality standards will matter and be maintained, and I have all confidence that the Institute will deliver once more for the UWI and for Jamaica.
We could not have done this without IDB's help, IFSD help, and of course the Minister for his vision. So we are extremely grateful for all of that.
So with that, all I can say is, on behalf of the IDB, thank you very much for considering us as a partner in this really, really noble effort.